Good. Me too. So a few more days of Disney fun. Yay!
That's it.
All packed up.
All packed up.
It's disembarkation day now.
We all know that feeling of
The worst.
sadness.
This is actually the worst.
Oh, it has such a good time. 7 days. It's just a perfect amount, but we could always use more, right?
Always. Yeah.
Always. It's not over yet though. We still have Disney. So we're checking out now. We're gonna go get a car. And hopefully we can make it back to Orlando before Kelsey's family leaves for the airport. Maybe catch a lunch with them, send them away, and finish off our last few days in Disney.
Yeah.
I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Me too.
You're looking forward to it?
I am.
Yes.
But we have to make every moment count for the next few days.
Yeah, so the
Because
next
this
few
is the
days.
final chapter of this incredible, like, 2.5 week trip.
Yeah, final chapter of our wedding holiday. The wedding adventure.
Yeah, as much as the wedding now seems like a million years ago.
Yeah. It's only been 10 days.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? We will see you on the road. So
Let's get
out
going.
of here. Goodbye house room place that we've had for the last week.
So very nice and very comfortable.
Yes. It has
Always get the rafter.
been. The last breakfast on board the Silhouette. Oh, sad face. Oh. You know what this means though? We got Disney coming up.
Yeah.
Okay. Not a big difference from what I've been getting.
The final breakfast.
Oh,
White break tradition.
why break it, right? And this is our view. Yeah, good old Fort Lauderdale. Thank you so much. That's it. What? I know.
So we just made a quick stop at actually the same service station as we stopped at on the way to Port Everglades, which is the Port St. Lucie Fort Pierce service station, and grabbed some coffee, and look what they gave us. It is officially Christmas. We've got our very, very first Christmas cup from Dunkin'. So we're gonna enjoy our coffee and get in that festive spirit ready for Christmas at Disney. There's a money best unexpectedly. Smallest little leaves, both a little scared, neither one prepared to the enemy. Set the world in motion by reaching out for each other's hands. I'm never seeing this eye to eye. 3 miles and then exit 250. Alright, we have arrived at Orlando International Airport. My family is flying out today from this airport, so we have come to hang out with them for a little bit before they go through security and get on their flight. So the timing worked out perfectly, didn't it?
Yes, it
Just get to see them for a little bit and then wish them a safe flight.
All right. Looks like I'm going back on vacation. Ready to party. Oh, Kelsey's sad.
I just said goodbye to my family.
Oh,
And it's always a hard thing.
it's so hard to say goodbye to family.
It is. It is. It is. But we'll see them again very soon. Apologies we didn't vlog any of that in the airport, but we were just chatting and catching up on the past week with everybody. And just reminiscing how much fun we've all had over the past couple of weeks. It's been amazing having my family here in my favourite place in the world. Just having fun and going to the parks and doing all our wedding stuff. It's just been a dream. It really has.
It hasn't ended for us, but it's ended for a few of our family, and you know, sometimes we do have to say that goodbye. It is sad, but we will see them again.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Very soon.
Very, very soon. So definitely gonna enjoy our last few days here.
Yeah.
Our room is ready. We got a message about an hour or so ago. So we're gonna go now, drop off this car, get an Uber to AK Lodge, and then we're gonna have a good time.
Yes.
Stay in the left 4 lanes.
The final leg of today's journey. We have dropped off the rental car at Fox, and then we are just in an Uber over to Disney now. We received some sneak peeks of our wedding photos just now, and I am so freaking excited. Do you love them?
So much.
They're so good. I'll insert a couple here so you can see. But yes, we are on our way to Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. We've had our room number text to us, so we're just gonna go straight to the room. Are you excited?
So much.
Thank you, sir. We have arrived. This feels real now. Let's go. Oh my god, I love this place so much.
There she is right there. I'll take them both.
Ah! Look at this. Oh my gosh. Are you okay with the luggage, love?
One of my wheels is broken.
Oh no! It's okay, we'll be at our room in a moment. Okay, let me just take a look and see what our room number is, and then we'll walk in that direction. Okay, we think we're on the other side this time, which is oh no! Ooh, 4th floor, please, sir.
My pleasure, my dear.
To Pumbaa.
My pleasure.
7856 is our room.
7856.
After you.
For
Polynesian. We are very far across the resort. Almost there though. We're just around this corner, babe. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my goodness.
That's the worst.
Okay, here we are. 7, 8, 5, 6. This is when I tell you I've got the wrong room number.
You're dragging this.
Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yes.
I'm so excited. And we go. Yes. Come on in, sir. And here's our little villa. Yes. Oh my god, this place is massive again. These villas are huge, aren't they? Wow. Just need to find a light. So this is a 1-bedroom villa in Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village. Is there more lights? One in the kitchen maybe? Oh, here's one. Okay, so quick little overview of the room. We'll show you more detail later. But this is the kitchen that I'm standing in right now. Then we have this big open space of a living room with a huge TV, thank you. Dining area. And then when we came in, there's a big closet here with a nice big bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom area with bath and shower. And then if we walk back over here, we have the master suite with a lovely big bedroom. Lots and lots of space. Oh my god, we've got the same thing again. The best thing ever. Jacuzzi tub, a giant shower, toilet. Which bit do you love? Oh, the Lion King tiles. That's so cool. That shower is absolutely huge. It's a little seat in there and everything. I love this bathroom. So it's a different layout than some of the other villas that we've stayed in, but I think these ones are some of my favorites.
This is huge.
Humongous.
We've been living in a
Stateroom.
stateroom for the past week. So our stateroom was half the size of this area here.
This feels amazing.
So just to have all this.
But there's a way that this room levels up on the last one, isn't there?
Yeah.
Would you like to show us how?
This time we actually have safari side.
We have a savannah view.
There's no one here right now.
The animals are sleeping. Wow. This is beautiful. So that's what we walked from. That's the main lobby over there. This is beautiful.
There,
that's how it felt. This is beautiful. Happy?
Yes. I'll have to record more of this during the day.
Definitely. It'll be lovely in the morning. But this feels fantastic. After a day of traveling, actually this couldn't feel any better.
I'm happy.
Good. Me too. So a few more days of Disney fun. Yay! It's just an observation. There is so much going on as far as activities is concerned. This was just on the dining room table. There's scavenger hunts, there's a bead activity, there's all sorts of like animal tracking and lessons to be had about the animals, games, there's an art tour, cultural safari. So many different things to do here, as well as the usual like movies under the stars, and oh, they also do animal arts and crafts, Mickey tie-dye, make your own ice cream, make your own slime.
Very cool. Make your own slime.
So much to do. Yes, that's when you know you're home.
Island.
What are we gonna do this evening?
I think we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom?
Yeah, let's go for a bit. This might be our chance finally to see Pandora at nighttime.
Oh yeah. We've not seen it yet.
No! We had to leave last time, remember? Because it started pouring. Cheers, my dears. Happy honeymoon.
Happy honeymoon. Round 3. So I just went and got a magic band because I can't find my Goofy magic band.
It's in one of our suitcases.
It's in one of the suitcases, but we had a lovely man named Corey.
Corey was an extremely magical cast member. we had a couple of questions. One was about whether John could get a replacement magic band for our stay here.
Because we did get a message saying that
They had some.
they had one waiting for us.
Oh, yeah, and really cool, my cousin had left a wedding card for us, and they had that like against our names, and he brought that to us. So thank you, Lauren.
Thank you, Lauren,
and
for
what
that.
else happened? Oh, the buttons.
And so Kelsey had her button. I couldn't find my happily ever after button, but Kelsey asked for one, and for me.
Run.
Oh, we're running because
Oh, that's magic.
magic. Well, anyway, but she asked for one, and Corey happily gave us one. But not only did he give us one, he made it even better by adding our names to
He
it.
said that mine wasn't nearly fancy enough.
Or magical enough. So
Now it has a name.
now he added the name and our wedding date.
Yay!
So we each got one with our name and wedding date.
Exactly.
And the card as well.
Yeah.
And mine and my band. So amazing. Thank you, Corey, for that.
Amazing.
Amazing. Now we are going to... Hey, Kay, once the bus comes. Hakuna Matata. That is our bus.
One of the things I love most about this resort is the sound.
Not that sound though, right?
No, the sounds outside the main building, like of the bugs and things like that.
Crickets and bugs and frogs and all the animals. We're here. We're here. We're up.
We're on a mission.
On a mission. We actually have a fast pass
Right now.
to Expedition Everest. Can do that and then go straight to Pandora after. Go. First sign of Christmas.
Very first glimpse of Christmas.
Does that make you excited?
Look at this tree.
It's a huge tree.
Beautiful.
Aw. Poor section of the tree is not lit.
Oh, it is so pretty. I love the wreath. Alright, step one, going to Africa.
Hello there, tree.
It's so beautiful.
Good to see you again, Mr. Tree.
And look at all the sparkly.
And all the sparkles.
Do you see the projections on the tree?
I do. It's very cool.
Just seen a little bit of the tree projections to show. Would have loved to have seen more, but we've got a fast pass to catch. We've got stuff to do. Hopefully we'll get another chance to see that too.
Absolutely.
Even Starbucks is all dressed up magical for Christmas time. Yay! And look, Africa has lights. This is amazing. Look at these lights. I love that Animal Kingdom is open later now. It's really lovely, isn't it?
I like it too. Yeah.
It's amazing.
What?
Amazing.
It is amazing.
It's beautiful. I love how much light there is. It's beautiful.
I love it.
Just in time for our expedition to Everest. And as well, we didn't get to do this on our last trip because we got rained out.
Rained out and closed off. I remember.
Woo-hoo. And just like that, that took no time.
1 minute.
Easy.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the
ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Everything's in the dark. I think this could be a first. A lot of fun. We love Expedition Everest. It was fun doing it at night too, wasn't it?
It's different.
Yeah.
And it's not like your focus is not really on the ride, just like the little things now. It's like anything that has light pretty much.
Yeah.
Like the Sasquatch or is that Bigfoot? Sasquatch.
The Yeti.
Sorry.
And we got a good view of Animal Kingdom all lit up, which was very nice. And then we came out and we saw one of my Instagram friends, Shana, that Disney girly on Instagram, which was, it's so nice to see like some familiar faces and like these people that we speak to online. It's always nice to, you know, have a hug and say hello in person. So we are now just working our way back around to the front of the park and towards Pandora, which will be our first time seeing it at night. Yay! Just stopped to admire the lights on the front of Dino Land, which closed at 6 for some reason. This was just flashing a moment ago. Look at the little Santa head on the front of the dinosaur. That is so cool. I wasn't expecting this much Christmas at Animal Kingdom, honestly.
Oh, I didn't either. So much.
Nice surprise. We made it to the front of the park, so in the precisely, what, 20 minutes that we've been in this park, we've already done a full lap.
A full lap and ready for next ride.
Down to Pandora.
I'd love to see the flight passage is very short. It'd be nice if we can get up on it.
Oh, we've sourced a new wall. This is where the Lion King one was before. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I am so freaking excited to finally see this at night. Already the sounds are changing. No Christmas in Pandora apparently.
Oh, that's cool. The crack's cool.
Oh, look at the floor.
Wow, look at all these sounds. The whole earth glows.
Wow.
All the colors, I love it.
So many colors. What is that noise?
Oh, that's
We just got splashed.
I forgot. I remember it as soon as I saw it. I was like, "That's the one that spits."
And we were right in its path. Your teeth are really glowing. This is amazing. Wow.
So
cool. Finally made it to Pandora at night, and it did not disappoint. Ooh, look at the eggs.
Oh yeah, glowing. Gonna imagine. Don't look at it too. It looks like crystal.
That's beautiful. Okay, so standby line at Flight of Passage is saying 120 minutes. We're saying, let's go. Let's see how long it takes us. So the wait time just went up to 135. So I think we're gonna miss it today, which is unfortunate, but what can we do? There is an extra magic hours on Saturday, so we might try and take advantage of that instead, right?
Yeah.
All right. I think what we're going to do instead is grab a little bite from Satuli Canteen because we haven't really eaten much since breakfast. So I'd like to grab something. We'll grab a little bite. Oh my gosh, and we found Christmas in Pandora.
They celebrate Christmas?
Apparently.
Oh, of course the humans do. Right?
Apparently they do.
Very good.
Cute. Satuli Canteen. Excited for this.
What did you get?
I got the cheeseburger steam pods.
Steam pods.
Yeah, I've been so excited to try these for the longest time. And
They're
then
like
the combination bowl.
Yeah, it's
with
like a
chicken
beef and
and steak.
chicken. Beef. Oh, is it chicken and steak? And rice, beans with those slaw and the balls.
And you went with the creamy herb dressing.
Creamy herb dressings. Good?
Nice chips.
Let's eat some food, baby.
I really like the cheeseburger pods. That's really good.
Good too.
Yeah?
The fried rice with like the creamy herb is like a dressing, salad dressing. Similar.
And this is like a bao bun, which is very much appreciated right now. We've come to the conclusion that John's meal tastes like Chipotle.
Yeah, Chipotle bowl.
In a good way. It's good.
Oh, are you getting tired?
No. Fine.
Saw that. How was your meal?
I liked it. It wasn't my most favourite. I felt the flavours of the cheeseburger pods were a little bland. There wasn't much to it. I enjoyed the slaw with the boba. That was interesting. And it was still nice. It was like a nice, like, comforting, like, dumpling type dish, which sometimes when you're a little tired and you had a long day is actually exactly what you want. So, no, I'm glad I picked it. Wouldn't rush here specifically for that dish. It doesn't compare to the cheeseburger spring rolls, in my opinion, which I love. But glad I've tried it.
Well done.
How about yours?
Mine was good. It was good. It was like a bowl, a chicken bowl. And I enjoyed it very much. I was really hungry as well.
Yeah.
And much needed. It's good.
So what are we going to do now?
So we are now, it's about 3 minutes till closing, so 3 minutes till 8. We did see the time of Flight of Passage to go down a bit, but still I think doesn't justify us waiting 90 minutes for the ride this evening, just because we've been up early. Chelsea didn't sleep much last night, and we do want to go see the gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian, as well as Enchanted Rose. So we're probably just gonna go head out there now.
Yeah, we might do some shopping first, because we want to get something to wear for tomorrow.
What's
We're
tomorrow?
doing Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Club.
Yeah.
Maybe we can find some Christmas tops.
Yes, definitely.
I feel so thrilled that we're here now after being like on a cruise ship this morning and now we're at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah. I love that.
Prince.
Look at my white pants. My Banshee prints. Wow, look at the color in this.
Cool.
Yeah. So much color.
our Christmas stuff for tomorrow. Perfect jingle bells. What did we get?
Is it?
We'll see tomorrow. So we are just now leaving Animal Kingdom. The park is closed. Looks like there's some sort of event going on this evening though, because people are walking through with like passes around their necks. So we're just gonna go and get the bus to the Grand Floridian and then go check out the Gingerbread House and Enchanted Rose. There's my star on top of the tree. Okay, I'm coming. Let's go. Freaking icicles. There is nothing colder than a Disney bus. Well, that particular Disney bus today. Oh, look, a snail. That was so cold. How much we seem to be on that bus for so long.
At least like half hour.
Oh my gosh. No, that was crazy. But anyway, we're glad to be off that bus. And we are going to head straight into the Grand Floridian and go to the Enchanted Rose. Oh my gosh. Look at all the poinsettias. Oh, they put it in a different place.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look, and the band's over here now at the entrance. Wow.
It's now permanent.
Yeah. The poinsettias. Wow. No tree just yet though. Oh, it's so amazing. Let's go check it out. This year. It's so lovely.
We just came into the shop that they changed the name to Curiouser Clothing. What was this?
It was Summer Lace before and they changed it.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
Oh,
So
wow,
cozy right now. Look at that sign.
Right.
Wow. Excellent wedding centerpiece ideas.
Yeah, we're a little too late. That would have been perfect. Is it real flowers?
I bet they are because it's water.
Wow, that's amazing.
Lovely. Look at this. I read that that's meant to reflect the gold ceiling in the Beauty and the Beast ballroom scene.
Ballrooms, yeah, makes sense.
Oh my gosh. The pictures on the wall.
Yeah.
The bride and groom over there.
As you do. Wow.
That's up there and
Yeah. Very cool.
we'll turn and then we'll pick a seat, shall we?
Yeah.
First impressions, what do you think?
I like it.
I think
It's really nice.
It's a very different vibe from Meisner's. Like, it's very, very different.
It's more open than it was Meisner's. Meisner's felt more personal or like
Yeah. It's much more contemporary.
very, yeah.
So, what do you think of the menu at the Enchanted Rose?
Very interesting menu. I like it. Well, there's a lot to choose from and pricey.
Yeah, there's a lot of more expensive cocktails with more expensive ingredients on there, isn't there?
$25, I think $27 drinks
Yeah.
on average 15 to 25 on what you're looking for.
So then there is the usual like wines and beers that exist across Disney properties, isn't there, as well?
Absolutely.
So yeah, we've got this beautiful little window table, and that's the main bar over there. And then to my right, out the window, is one of the Grand Floridian pools, and then that's the Polynesian over there. Okay, so our drinks have arrived. I went for a nice warming glass of red wine, and then you have a Negroni. How is it?
What?
I'm figured out. I'm waiting for Mary to come back.
Your favorite noises? Welcome home, my dear.
Do you have a nice little open up?
A little bit. It's always nice.
We're about ready to crash. It's been a long day.
That's been.
One of the things that's offered here at the hotel is they'll do like an art tour of the resort. So like all these sculptures that we're looking at that have no concept of what it's meant to be.
I should
I'm
have
sure
let
they
you
like take you around and we'll talk to you about it.
Have a good night, guys.
Good night. Thank you.
And good night it was. We pretty much fell immediately to sleep after this and forgot to close this vlog, but we will be back next week with the next day's video, taking us to Disney's Hollywood Studios and to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge for the first time. We also get to see a lot more next week from our Savannah View balcony, so do stay tuned and please subscribe if you haven't already to see all of our future videos. On a more serious note, we sincerely hope you're staying well in the safety of your homes during these crazy times. While we wondered at first if uploading would be somewhat insensitive to those who are having their Disney trips cancelled, we did ultimately hope these videos bring a little bit of escapism to those of you that may need it. Sending you love, and until next week, we will see you real soon.